Fort Bragg, California, 3 days 2 nights travel guide. Fort Bragg, California, 3 days 2 nights travel guide. Description of Fort Bragg. Fort Bragg is a charming coastal town in Northern California. It is known for its stunning ocean views and redwood forests. The town offers a peaceful atmosphere with small-town vibes. Visitors enjoy beaches, trails, and local arts. Open times and days. Most attractions are open daily. Glass Beach is accessible 24/7, but best during daylight. MacKerricher State Park is open every day from sunrise to sunset. Local shops and restaurants usually open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. The Mendocino Coast Botanical Gardens are open daily from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Precautions. Wear sturdy shoes for hiking and beach walks. Bring layers, coastal weather can change quickly. Watch for slippery rocks at Glass Beach. Respect wildlife and follow park rules. Carry water and sunscreen, especially in summer. Must-visit places. Glass Beach, famous for colorful sea glass on the shore. MacKerricher State Park offers trails, tide pools, and seal watching. Skunk Train, historic train ride through redwood forests. Mendocino Coast Botanical Gardens, beautiful gardens with ocean views. Noyo Harbor, watch fishing boats and enjoy fresh seafood. Things to do. Walk along Glass Beach collecting sea glass, do not take large amounts. Hike the trails at MacKerricher State Park. Take a skunk train ride for scenic views. Visit local art galleries and shops downtown. Explore tide pools and watch seals at Noyo Headlands Park. Things not to do. Do not remove large rocks or damage sea glass at Glass Beach. Avoid feeding wildlife in parks. Do not litter, keep the beaches clean. Avoid climbing on unstable cliffs or rocks near the ocean. Insider tips. Visit Glass Beach early in the morning or late afternoon for fewer crowds. Bring a picnic to enjoy at MacKerricher State Park's picnic areas. Check skunk train schedules online and book tickets in advance. Local farmers markets are great for fresh produce and crafts, usually weekends. Possible deals. Look for combined tickets for Skunk Train and Mendocino Coast Botanical Gardens. Some restaurants offer lunch specials during weekdays. Check Visitor Center for current discounts on tours and activities. Best time to visit. Late spring through early fall, May to October, is ideal. This period has mild weather and less rain. Summer has more tourists but vibrant events and festivals. Affordable places to eat nearby. Good Life Cafe and Bakery, great breakfast and lunch options, casual setting. Eggheads Restaurant, affordable diner with hearty meals. Cafe 1, fresh sandwiches and salads, budget-friendly. Noyo Fish Company, fresh seafood at reasonable prices, casual dining by the harbor. We built a digital business to create ongoing income so we can follow our dreams and live an ideal life. If you are looking to start your own digital business, visit newbeginning.com and find out more.